Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you a couple of easy ways to bring Word documents into your PowerPoint presentation. So, the first way to do this is by going to the Insert tab, and selecting Object. From there, you'll want to choose Create from File and browse to where your Word document is stored. For this example, we'll select Display as Icon and hit OK. And there you have it, a Word document icon right here in your presentation. What's cool is, this file is actually embedded inside the PowerPoint, so it's all self-contained. You can just double-click the icon to open the document in Word. When you're done, just close Word. Even if you send this PowerPoint to someone else, they'll be able to access the embedded Word document without any trouble. Now, there's another approach. What if you only want to bring in some content from the Word document? Let's do the same steps, but this time we won't check the Display as Icon option. When we click OK, instead of an icon, we get a text box with the actual content from the Word file. You might need to do a little reformatting, but it's definitely faster than recreating everything from scratch. So, remember these options whenever you're working with Word and PowerPoint together. It'll save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.